All right. So yeah, hi guys. The update for today is I completed modulus. It went pretty well, and I skipped this graph of modulus, and completely I skipped that, and I did modulus. Okay, and apart from that, I did revision, and it's very boring, guys. Doing revision is very boring. Yet it's very important, not very important. You might not understand it now, but once you complete a topic, for example arithmetic, and went to algebra, and once you complete algebra, then you when you start solving arithmetic questions in mocks, you will like, I don't even know this, but you have done that, but you forgot everything. So you should keep doing your revisions every 1 or 2 weeks, complete revisions, and it's very important, or else the mock scores will tell you what it is. You will be like, I completely forgot that, but I did that too last month. I completed arithmetic, but now I don't know anything of that. You will be like, I did algebra, but I forgot arithmetic, or vice versa, something like that. So it's very boring to do it, for sure. It's very boring, but you have to be determined and do it no matter what. And yeah, I am doing it currently. Currently, time speed distance, time and work, and component test is done. Ratios is also done. Other 4 topics are pending. I will do it right now. After that, it's very boring, guys, but yeah, we have to do it nonetheless. And yeah, that will be it for today. Just doing revision and revision today. Okay, and see you tomorrow, guys. Bye bye.